Well, there's a very rare snow coming in. Amazing. See, zooms in too much. Alright. Yeah, Stealth-Weld is down. So I've got to replace those batteries. I've completely obliterated battery #1 negative terminal. And just dissolved it. It actually erupted. But luckily my bladder's in here. Self-extinguished it. Can barely see it. Completely obliterated it. So after 6 years of service, those AGM Duracell batteries did very well. So anyway, I was trying to continue the workflow with the Lincoln AC225 welder here, running Excalibur 110/18 rods. I got it cranked to the maximum setting. Yeah, it just barely runs it. It's very frustrating. Not smooth at all, but I managed to get a bead on here. Of course, I don't have any lighting here, but I managed to get that welded up and got a second pass all the way around it. So now I can work this thing. I'll have to improve the angle down here on the lower joint and get it that lower joint right there needs to be spread out about 3 to 5 degrees. If I can get my flashlight here. That joint right there. So I was going to do that today, but I decided not to because I realized the retread here is actually in a 1/2 inch on this side due to manufacturing. Slightly different carcass. The wheel offset is identical, 13 inches all the way out. So anyway, nice to see some snow for a change. So again, that retread is actually tucked in about a 1/2 inch this way on the carcass. Slightly different carcass. It's a G662 Goodyear as opposed to a H661, I believe it is. Yeah, HSA. So G661 HSA, a little different. This one's a Hercules. And this one here is really cool. It's a Goodyear. It's got side biters on it. It is an what is that? MSD? G741 MSD. Those are the ones to get right there. G741 MSD. They have a little bit of tread on the sides. I'm going to see if I can go get some more of those. Match it all up. Then this would mesh, because then my tread would be out just a little bit more, 1/2 inch more. And it would mesh nicely right there. So anyhow, other than that, there was absolutely nothing anomalous. Everything was very symmetrical and precisely made. So now it's just nice to see some snow rolling in here, and I've got this tractor ready to rock and roll and work and perform not just earth moving, but maybe snow moving tomorrow, which would be excellent, would be terrific. So I've got a bit of a swamp pond here, and I've got a hump in the middle, right to the left of that big cacti that's standing up. There's a hump, granite hump, that will have to be blasted out of there. Then I can get all this to drain all the way out this way. I've got a bit of a tufa sodium bicarbonate. It's not really a hot spring, but it is a spring that comes up out of the ground here, and it's a different material. It's a blondish soil. It's very strange. All right, nice snow. Real nice to see. Finally, getting snow. Hard to believe. And what is today? The 22nd of February, 2023. Coming down nicely now. Better tell Rex get on home. Is this going to stick? I have a feeling. All right. That is that for now. Over and out.